What's good, everybody? Stop scrolling. I had to stop eating to make this video because I'm so excited. Listen, everybody listening to BRICS, B-R-I-C-S. Yes, this is about the market. The market. I don't have a trade desk set up for no reason. I'm not a day trader for no reason. I don't do it for my health. I do it because I love it. Yeah, I guess that is health. I make good money doing it, and it helps things in life that I like to do, like Pokemon. More Pokemon. Some things for the car. Sorry guys, I'm in the middle of moving. I'm not afraid to show my apartment. I like to make little house decor items, you know, and being able to make things like this that cost freaking $300, which is crazy. I pay attention to the market all day, every day, whether it's Pokemon, whether it's crypto, building PCs, graphics cards. But I'm going to tell you one thing. I'm going to bounce right back to BRICS. Stop being scared to invest. 1. 2, get back to your computer and trade. 3, put your money back in, unwrap it, stop swapping it out, do what it is that you do, but start trading. I don't care how you trade, how much money you have. I don't care if you have 10 bucks. I know you can turn $25 or $10 into $300 or $400 in less than a week. I've done it 100 times, and I will share it with you, and I will share with you my results. I can show you how you can turn $1,000 into $1 million. Didn't want to say that, but guess what? I'm going to say it. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to take and process this information, and I promise you it will make sense. If we own, look it up. I'm going to give you a percentage. This is not financial advice. You do your own research. Always do your own research. Don't even listen to a financial advisor. Do your own research once they tell you something, and then educate yourself, and you will be surprised at what you can learn. Now, here's what I wanted to say. If we have control over Russia's money, yes, the United States of America, and by the way, why are y'all causing issues? Do you want to be brick and mortar building like the rest of the building outside? I mean, I could go and show you what brick and mortar looks like. You're just going to be another brick in a wall, just in the timeline, and you just don't want that. I mean, man, I had to take everything down. Let me see here. It doesn't matter. I'm not about negativity. I'm all about positive vibes. But, I mean, does it look like we play? Does it look like we play? Does it look like we play? And you think we're going to play about our money? Our gold? Our dollar value? Come on, son. Get real. Think about it. If we have control over Russia's money, and we make their money zero, I mean, that's 30% of their money, or 50% of their money we hold. And they go and take their money with another country. You know, is it China, I think? I don't know. You have to look it up. But I think it's China, Russia, and a couple other countries. However, if they take 50% of their money, which has now been diluted by 50%, which is only worth 25% of what they have, with another country's money, let's say 100%, well, you take that 100% plus the 25 and you have 125%. You divide it by 2, and now the country's net worth is only 60% of what the 100% value was. 62.5. Now, 62.5. So that would mean our dollar would take them $1.25 of their own money in a 1-to-1 ratio, which is not, would take $1.25. I'm sorry, double that. It would take double that. For 62 cents, 6.625 cents would only get them $1. So they would need $1.25 to even, or $1. I'm so sorry, I'm making a mistake right now because I have all these numbers going through my head. I'm sorry, I'm a philomath and I love it. So if it takes 60.625 cents to get $1, it's gonna take, or it's not gonna be, it's gonna take double that. It's gonna take $1.25 to get $1. So it's gonna take a country's whole entire GDP, nominal, everything all added up, surpluses, reserves, all kinds of things, with another country, and take double the amount of their money to get our dollar. People are saying, no, it's going to devalue. How are they going to devalue our dollar when we're the strongest country in terms of liquidity, nominal GDP, trade GDP? Do you know our nominal GDP is like 5.7 or 5.765 hextillion dollars just in our global trade? If there's only 70% or 28% of money, 25 to 28% of liquid money, it's liquid cash in assets in circulation, and the rest is dead money, do the calculation. If we only have about 25 to 30% of actual cash in circulation, because the rest of it's dead money, meaning it's in a mattress, it's in a safe, in a security box, which I'm sure there's a lot more by now. We'll go down and we'll stay safe at 20%. You multiply that by 5, we have over 20 hextillion. 25 hextillion dollars floating around in our economy. Chilling. Do you think we're going to have a problem with other countries when we produce the most oil? When we have the biggest group of allies ever? If you don't know what it's called, it begins with an N, ends in an O, and if you look it up, you'll get NATO. Alright? So check it out. Look into it. I highly doubt 5 countries are going to devalue the dollar against 17 countries. You got to look it up. Things change. It was 114, it was 117. Look it up. I mean, we give 3 billion here, 5 billion here, 10 billion here to countries in need so their governments can stay stable. And you think we're going to have a problem with our dollar? Stop the excuses. Stop listening to the bad media and get the good media out there. Let's talk about good media. Let's put out positive vibes, not negative vibes. Start trading. I'm not sitting here trading, making money just for myself. I mean, I currently am. I mean, I have a wife, I have nieces, I have nephews, I have a family. Of course I'm making money for everybody. When I eat, everybody eats. And if you can't take care of yourself, your health, well-being, and everything else, along with your career, how can you take care of anybody else? So don't sit there stagnant. Get on your computer, get to your phone, get on that laptop, and whenever you have time, because you're so busy worrying about the news and what it tells you, do some cross-referencing, do some homework, do some due diligence, and put in some late hours and grind. And know what you're talking about, know what you're typing up on Stock, Twitch, or Discord before you say it. Because all you're doing is stirring the pot. And guess what happens when you stir the pot too much? It splashes. And guess where it's going to splash? On you. Because I'm not stirring the pot. I'm just giving you factual information that you need to process and come out with a conclusion on your own. It's like a hypothesis, like a guesstimate, all in one, like a theory. So take that information, put it to use. And by the way, sorry, I don't know when my videos got taken down. I was trying to share with y'all a Webull link so you can sign up and get free fractional shares just for adding, literally just for adding any amount. It's on their link. Don't look at my stuff. Don't look at a link down below. Go to Webull, do your own thing. Go to Robinhood, go to TD Ameritrade, go to Binance, Bittrex, Bitfinex, whoever you want. Coinbase. It's up to you. I was just trying to share something with y'all because I got an $80 fractional share, and that's amazing. I was super happy, and I love to share things with my TikTok community. TikTok, don't take this video down, and if you're going to, please watch the whole video. It's not controversial. It's not telling people what to do. I'm sorry, I got food stuck in my teeth. Excuse me, I was hungry. I eat, I work, I grind. Now it's nap time. So, before you have the audacity of taking this video down, understand what it's about. Understand it's about influencing and empowering the people with knowledge that is true, factual. If you need me to, I'll send you an email with a link that I will prove to you this factual information. Do the calculations, become a philomath, educate yourself, trade and make that money. I'm out. This is Fred Yevich Daily. Check me out on Discord, The Daily Snowfall by Snowflakes Inc. I might change it, but it doesn't matter. Look me up. I'm out. Have a blessed day and get that money.